Yes, today I would like to review about water tank container which you can use for camping, outdoor, hiking accessories. I selected this product because we have actually going to review 5 products, but 5 products have different shape, sizes, as well as different features and also different prices, and color are mostly green. Another one is yellow. Okay, let me review about this product. I already told you that it has different sizes. I recommend this product because the price is 18.73. I may leave a coupon, or you can buy this product this price because the price quality is 5 stars. Already 17 sold, and yeah, free shipping, fast delivery, and we can see someone already give his or her his or her review about the product. He or she got it. One is from Greece, another is from Spain. They already gave it the review, and the weight is 520 gram, 700 gram, 800 gram, or 100 gram. Material is PVA and color is green. I told you that there is also yellow one, I mean not yellow orange mixed one, and I already leaving. If you like to purchase this product without any question, then I am leaving about the product, other products below in description. Please check it by now and then decide, because the quality of the product is really solid, robust, no doubt. And we need this product because as it is one product is PE material, so it's very healthy, and you can go for shipping, camping, picnic, traveling, etc. And for before that, I would like to review another thing. Do not install corrosive liquids. Note: do not pour hot water above 65 degree. There are some errors in minimum measurement. That's not a problem. Packing to one bucket, one cleaning brush, one tube. Only 18 liter and 25 liter bucket has 2 handle. I already added 4 more different shape and sizes. You can choose whatever. However, this product is really robust, and you can use cool water and hot water, but not above 65 degree. It has a tap system. I mean, most of them has tap system. Tap cleaning brush you're getting with this package. Thank you all. Signing off.